After a couple years of symptoms, recovery is not possible. No, this is absolutely false. Concussion recovery is harder the longer it drags on, but it is definitely not impossible. In my experience, in dealing with patients, it really comes down to how bad do you want to get better. A lot of people will say they want to get better, but not many people are willing to actually put in the work and put in the effort to actually get better. If you really want to get better, you're going to put in the work, you're going to put in the effort, you're not going to cheat, and you're going to push. If you are kind of, I want to get better, but you don't, you're not going to get better because you're not doing the work you need to do to get better. And that's just the reality of the situation. So the patients I have that do get better are the ones that are there. They never miss their appointments. They're on time. They do their exercise religiously. They don't cheat on their diet. They do all their work. They up their exercises. They push themselves beyond where their comfort limits are. And guess what? Those are the patients that I discharge. I have other patients that will make excuses the entire time I'm seeing them. Those patients, they don't do so well because they give up, because it gets hard, right? Concussion recovery is not an easy thing. Anyone who's going through it right now can attest to that. But I promise you this, if you put the time in, you put the work in, you don't cheat, you push yourself, you're not afraid of symptoms, you will get better. But you have to do that work. It all comes down to how badly you want it.